Hey Warriors, if you're interested in signing up for our online workshops, keep on watching because I'm going to show you how. First, go to the WCC website. Scroll down to the Our Services section, then click on whether you're an undergrad, grad, or faculty, and then from there, click on the Asynchronous Workshops. On this page, you can look over the different workshop topics under the Asynchronous Workshops panel and click on the titles you want more information on. Once you familiarize yourself with the workshops that you're interested in, under that same Asynchronous Workshops panel, click on the button that says click here to log in to learn. Once you logged in to learn with your UWaterloo credentials, at the top of the page, click the Self-Registration tab. From here, you'll be shown a list of courses you can enroll in. Search for the title that says WCC Workshops, then on the right of it, you'll see the same name but hyperlinked. Click on that and then click the Register button that shows up. Then you should see the course show up under the All tab of the Courses and Communities section of your main page on Learn. Read the welcome message, then click the top that says Content, and then on the left side, you should see all those course topics that we saw earlier. Then you can get started on whichever ones you were interested in. And if you have any problems, you can always email us at wcc@uwaterloo.ca. I hope this helped.